Hey everyone, I am back. If you haven't read my newsletter or anything, you've learned that I got deleted from here, and it took one of my good friends to help me find some of my information and about 24 to 30 hours to get it all back up. But we are back. The reason why I was tinkering with with this podcast is because I have taken on a training kind of in podcasting. I know I go to school for everything. I just like it. But I am wanting to work with this one lady, and we started thinking about the fact that I've been a teacher officially for 30 years, actually closer to 33. And before then, I have always spoken, but I've never been that perfect professional speaker. I have been that person who just loves to talk and I love to tell stories. And really, I feel like this next year, my goal is to really get to know each of you. I'm hoping that this podcast will let you know me, let me know you, get you involved with my virtual online website at bertina.org, bertena.org, and hopefully get you coming to my Zoom events. I am hoping to have yoga every Tuesday at 7, somatic yoga, where most of the time we end up falling asleep, our body heals. It's just wonderful. And on Thursday, I am going to start having a virtual meetup that's free. I am going to have book clubs. We're going to have our embodiment meditation that's free. And then for the paid ones, I'm going to do a different type of embodiment for divine feminine. And then if you sign up for my goddess studies, we will meet one Thursday a month. So, what the goddess studies are is I have an online class where each week you have a goddess that you work with. And I give you lots of materials. I give you a meditation script. I give you altar ideas. I give you the history. One of my many degrees is in history, and one of the history focuses is in ancient civilization. So I think sometimes on some of the goddesses, I kind of got a little excited and things like that. But it's only $99 for the entire year, and you get 52 weeks of goddesses, but then you also get a Zoom meeting with me as a group where we practice and we study and we talk on a Thursday night. And I think it's the second Thursday, and that's included. And so it doesn't matter if you are in Kentucky, where I am, Tennessee, where I visit, or anywhere around the world. I just want you to connect with this podcast. I want you to connect with me. My goal is in 1 year to be ready for retirement, to be financially, emotionally, and spiritually stable. And I think that we all feel that way right now. And I feel like that we can really, really walk with each other, work with each other, and that's what I'm here for. I want to try to do a podcast a week, really short ones. I want to do lives. I have so many things I want to do. I do blogs, but the thing is, though, is that if you like one, you can catch it. And some of the other information I just kind of use a lot together because some people like to read, some people like to listen. Some people just want to hear conversations when they see me. And so I'm going to start really trying to reach everybody where they are, but I need your help. I need you to share my podcast. I need you to get on my social media platforms. Bertina 11 is everything. It's BERTENA 11. My TikTok, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook. Oh God, what else do I have? It just seems like I have so much everywhere. But I think this next year, the podcast here is going to be my focus because I right now am closing my eyes. I am thinking about speaking to each of you. I am thinking about clients and friends that I know, like Cindy and Rachel and Molly and Joe and all the wonderful ones like that. And even though I might get to see them in person, I feel like our Zoom meetings can extend. And if I can get the extensions and get the connections and grow, I think we will be able to do a lot more. But for now, it is Wednesday night. I finished my Kundalini training class. I am ready for a wonderful bubble bath, some candles, maybe some chocolate, and then I'm going to slide onto bed and get ready for my day job in higher ed tomorrow. But all the time I'm thinking about you all. I'm thinking about being with you here in spirit, and I'm marking off the time that I have to spend there, which I love, but I love being here more. So, if you're in the Nashville area on Saturday or Sunday or any weekend, go to yourcosmicconnections.com, click on find a reader, find an event, search all through there. There's lots of great people on there, but I'm on there too. Click on me and just see all the wonderful things I do. Everything I do in purpose, except for the biomat, can be done online because, I can't get the biomat through to you here, but you can lay on your own. We can do a Reiki session. I'm teasing. I can do anything on there for you in person or on Zoom. And with the world the way it is, we have to reach out for each other. Community can be on Zoom, community can be in person, and I am hoping to build both. Well, until next time, I wish you a wonderful night. Keep those dreams sweet, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.